ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know.
Alright everyone, welcome to our solution video for lesson 2. So let's go ahead and start creating our sprites here. We'll go ahead and create the wall first. So sprite wall, import, select wall, middle center, close it, create. I'm going to do the player now. SPR player, import. There we go. Select the large bat, center this. Now let's create the laser. Select the blue laser, center it. Go ahead and do the ghost now. Center. And then lastly will be the skull. Right here. I'll do center. Alright, now let's create the objects for these. So object wall, select the wall sprite, make sure it's solid. Do the object player, assign the sprite, object laser, and then we'll do the ghost. And lastly, the skull. Alright, head back to our object player. We'll add an event. Key down, left. I'll set the speed to 4. The direction to 180. Add event. Key down, right. Speed to 4. Direction to 0. I'll add an event. Key pressed. We'll select space to fire our laser. And we'll say laser equals instance create depth. And we'll say x, y, 0 for the depth, and we're creating object laser. And say laser, set your speed to 8. Laser, set your direction to 90. And laser, set your image angle to 90. Alright, and then we'll add an event, create, and we're just going to go ahead and set our friction. So friction equals 0.2. Alright, let's go ahead and go into the room here, because we're going to test this out, make sure everything's working. Set the width to 640, the height to 480. Let's go ahead and select our wall object, hold the Alt key, and just put a couple of blocks in here. Bring up our player, and then let's go ahead and run the game. We hold left, we move left, we hit, oh, I didn't do collisions yet. So if we hold, push left and stop, we stop. Right, we stop. Hit the space bar, we fire the laser, going up the right direction, and that works. Let's take care of those collisions really quick. Add event, collision, object wall. Set the speed to 0. Now let's test this. Alright, that's working. Let's make sure. Alright, so that's looking good so far. Go ahead and go into the object laser, add event, collision with the wall. I say effect, create above, and we'll do explosion. Set it to our X and Y position. The size will be 0, and the color will be blue. And then we'll just say destroy the laser. So instance destroy. Add event, collision with the ghost. Let's say effect, create above, EF explosion, XY 0. I'm going to do C red. And we're going to say with other instance destroy. And then we'll destroy the laser as well. Alright, let's go ahead and test this out. So go back into our room. Add a couple of the ghosts here. Run it. So shoot the wall first. That looks to be working pretty good. Shoot the ghost now. And that's working. Alright. Last thing we need to do here is just bring in our skull object. So go ahead and just place one of those right here. And then we'll go into our sprite really quick because that's a little too big. And we'll go to edit image. Go under the image tab here. We're going to select resize all frames and just set it to 32 by 32. Apply it. Let's go ahead and test our game now. Alright, now that looks good. We can fire everything. Destroy the laser, destroy the object ghost, and we get our cool particle effects. Alright, that's it for now, guys. I will see you in the next lesson. In the next lesson we'll be covering variables, so I look forward to seeing you then.